So the virtual reality home fire safety experience was absolutely fantastic. Gave a very realistic look at not only the conditions that firefighters are presented when they go to a house fire, but also the importance of having a robust home fire safety plan that's communicated through all members of the family, is practiced consistently, and also gives you the opportunity to look at the importance of having a working smoke alarm in the house. Having been a firefighter myself and going into many structure fires, it gave a really realistic view of what confronts firefighters every day. You saw the fire develop within the room. You also saw the temperature rise to the right-hand side of the screen, so you knew the physical barriers that could sustain life. So it was really good. There's been an increased trend in fires occurring from charging devices for mobile devices and other electrical equipment, doubling what we've seen in recent years. My personal experience with home fires is people generally think it won't happen to them, become a little bit complacent, and I don't think we can underestimate the speed at which a fire can take hold. I'd like to welcome everyone and encourage you all to come down to the DFIS Education and Heritage Centre. The experience is absolutely mind-blowing. You'll get a lot out of it. Not only will it show you the importance of having a working smoke alarm and a robust home fire safety plan, but it also shows you what firefighters are confronted with every day when they respond to and confront with a home fire.